Want to achieve that magical shoujo girl hairstyle? Well, you clicked on the right video. Today I'll be sharing some easy hairstyles for all hair lengths and textures. First of all, let's look at the hairstyles typical of shoujo girl hair. The key part is a simple yet cute look. This includes half-up, half-down hairstyles, braids, buns, and soft curls. These hairstyles are also often decorated with lots of stylish clips, hairbands, and bows. Let's get started with the iconic half-down side bun shown on Kurumi, Sawako, and even Hori. This is probably one of the most popular hairstyles. Soft, bouncy waves are definitely a staple of shoujo girl hair. The hairstyle features lots of volume and tends to have light hair colors. You need to focus on creating volume and curls, either by heat or non-heat methods. Next, we'll be looking at braids. Whether it's twin braids, half-up braids, or side braids, they're all super simple and great at creating the soft shoujo girl look. Lastly, a messy bun is perfect for all occasions. Whether for sports like Xiaohongshu, or for an everyday quick and easy look like Hori, bun is both practical and pretty. You could also do a twin bun and decorate with hair ribbons. Thank you so much for watching this far. Click the like button and subscribe for all things beauty and fashion. Stay tuned for the next part of the series, Shoujo Girl Clothing Inspo, and watch my shoujo makeup tutorial if you haven't already. I'll see you next time.
知ってるよ。世界が私のこと好きじゃないのくらい。